Hi, my name's Jen, a lead stylist at Trademark Salon. Today I want to talk to you about my step-by-step journey on how to style second day hair with my Varis tools and KMS hair products. I started off by brushing my hair using the Varis detangling brush, and then I sectioned the top half of my hair with my extensions into a little bun so I could focus on the underneath of my hair first. I sprayed the KMS 2-in-1 spray for thermal protection and extra hold and shine. And then I curled my hair in roughly 1-inch sections. I keep the curling iron vertical, and once the hair is in the curling iron, I unwind my hair and pull down the curls to elongate them and give more of a beach curl. Once I finished with the bottom section, I did the same throughout the top. I used the KMS working hairspray for a light hold while the curls cooled down for a few minutes, and then I separated and brushed out the curls using my fingers with the help from the KMS Tame Frizz Defrizz oil. It's super lightweight and non-greasy, and it smooths any flyaways without weighing my hair down. So what do you think? Are you ready to recreate this look at home? Visit Trademark Salon today to discover our full range of KMS and Varis products.